Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Simone if you're new here. Today's video I'm going to be showing you this look right here. So this is a summery and like a peach glitter look. I'm going to be showing you a little trick that I like to use to apply my glitters if I don't have any glitter glue on hand. And this is a really easy look. It looks like, I love it. It looks really nice, but it's so simple to do and doesn't really take that long at all. I'm also wearing my velour lashes today, so I hope you guys like those. At the end of this video you can see like a little bit of a difference between one lash and just mascara, so if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Today we are going to be doing a bit of a peachy glittery look, so I'm going to be using a loose glitter today. We're just gonna get into it because I don't really know what kind of colors I want to use, so let's just get started. What I do know that I want to use is I want to use this glitter by Inglot. It is a silver dollar glitter. I'm not going to open it to try and show you because it'll go everywhere, but it is like a pink with a gold reflect in it. So I'm going to start today's look by, I'm actually going to use this Huda palette. And I'm just gonna put a bit of an orange, really light layered base down. You'd be proud of me, I washed all my brushes yesterday. They're all clean. Now I'm not gonna go into specifics with exactly what colors I'm using because I want you to sort of just use whatever color you have in your collection. So I'm just going to use a little bit of an orange shade. If you don't have anything that's similar to this, what I usually like to use is a blush. So you can use any blush that you like. They work really well as a transition shade as well. So I'm just putting that straight into my crease line. I did prep my eyes as well using my MAC 24-hour eye base. I didn't powder that down today, I literally just left it. And I'm going to bring that right into my crease. Maybe I should zoom you guys in, hang on. Okay, so you guys are zoomed in. I'm just gonna build up this crease color. Because I have a hooded eye, I'm just looking straight ahead in my mirror to make sure that I have that as high as I want it to come. And then when I want to get down in here, I just tilt my head back. And I'm going to grab a smaller brush. I'm just going to grab this little tiny one here, and I'm just going to build out my little like line so I know where I want my shadow to start. So by doing this first, I can just see exactly where I want my shadows to come out to. And then I'm going to bring that same shade all over the lid. Just the outer half of the lid. Quite like this brush. Oh, again, if you've watched my channel before, this is the Morphe 456, and even when I don't realize that that's the brush that I've picked up, it's always the one that I say I like it. So I will be getting some more of these when I'm allowed to do clients again. Okay, so now that I've got that to the shade that I want it, what we're gonna do is I'm going to deepen that outer section here. So I'm gonna go in with my 433 Pro Blending Fluff Brush. So this one is quite like fluffy right on the tip, but it's really quite dense as well. And we're gonna go into my favorite shade from Inglot that I can never remember the name of. It's just this deep brown shade. So So I'm just gonna pop a tiny bit of that straight on the tip of this brush. And we're just going to dab that on the lash line. So I'm only putting a tiny bit. Usually this is like such a deep, deep color. I'm only using a small amount. And that's something that I always forgot when I was first starting out in makeup, is that you can get such a different look just by using a tiny amount and a light hand than literally like going in ham with the shade. And I always forget that sometimes less is definitely more. So I'm just using that brush that has that orange shade on it, and I'm just going over the top. I haven't added any extra product to it. And then I'm going to use that tiny little brush we used before and go in with that Inglot shade. And I'm just going to pop that on the outer corner of my lash line. Should always try and remember when you do your lower lash line to try and look up or at least directly straight ahead so you get underneath your lashes and your lashes aren't in the way. Okay, and now I'm going to use, I have this tiny little brush somewhere. I have this little brush here, but you could use like an angle brush or anything, and I'm going to go in with my new black from Makeup Forever. If you guys watch my Sephora haul, you'll see me use that for the first time. And I'm literally just going to pop this right, well, as close to the lash line as I can. I just blinked and got it up further. And I really don't want to like bring that too far in. I'm going to go back in with this little brush and I'm just going to blend on top of that. And then I'm going to go back in with my little fluff brush, and I'm again just going to blend that out a little bit further. And if you ever find that you're having trouble blending it out, you can always just go in with a little bit more of the color and pop it straight over the top. Now I'm gonna go in and just pop a little bit of that orange shade that we use, and I'm just gonna pop that just on this little bit here. Now I'm only doing this just so when I pop my glitter on, it's got something to like blend it in nicely. So I'm gonna open up this JLo color. And if you can see that, it's like a really pink with gold reflex. You really don't need a lot of it. And I couldn't find my glitter glue today, so I'm gonna use my Duraline. And I'm literally just popping like a tiny bit of that on my thumb. And then I'm just gonna use this synthetic brush and just tap that product where I want my glitter. I might use a tiny bit more. This is a great little trick if you don't happen to have a glitter glue on hand, and I really do strongly suggest every single makeup artist has the product Duraline because it is amazing. So I'm just going to use that same brush, and I'm literally just wiping the brush in the lid. I'm going to tap that straight on. Now with this product, definitely less is more, because if you put too much on, it's just gonna fall out all over your face. So you want it to actually just stick on. There we go, just like that. No cut crease or anything. And then I'm gonna go in and use my Bobbi Brown, this is what, Pink Glow highlighter. And I'm gonna use that on a small brush. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Something that's like subtle, but blends nicely into that pink. Now I'm just gonna go back in with my little fluff brush and just sort of, oh, I just wanna get a bit closer with my mirror. And I just wanna like tap the edges of that just to make sure that it's not like a direct harsh line. And this is my little look for today. Now what I've decided that I wanna do is just gonna go in with a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna lightly soften this outer line. Just wanna diffuse that a little bit. And I also want to use this brush here and just drag a little bit of whatever product is left on it under the eye. I just want that to have a little bit more of that peach orangey shade. So today I'm supposed to be going and meeting some of my girlfriends in the park. We live all over Melbourne and we haven't seen each other for quite some time. And now that the 5K radius has been lifted and we're actually allowed to travel 25 kilometers from our house, we actually have an overlap zone where like all 5 of us live. So we're gonna go and hang out today. Sit in the park and catch up because it's been a long time since we've seen each other. I don't think we've seen each other since January altogether, so it's gonna be exciting. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and catch the other eye up, and then we're gonna come back and pop some lashes on and finish the look. Okay, so I've just gone and caught the other eye up. So I'm just gonna go and pop some mascara on, and then we're gonna do the velour lashes. These are the ones that I got in my Sephora haul. I did use them. I really like them. They're pretty comfortable. So I'm gonna use those again. So I'm not actually gonna do like a tutorial on how to put them on. I'm just gonna go and do that because I don't want this video to be super long. I kind of want to have a short video because my last few videos have been quite long. Sorry about that. I'm not gonna put bottom lash mascara on today. I'm just going to leave that. If you can hear that music in the background, my partner's in the shower. I love these lashes. They are so easy to apply. And look at the difference. They do take a little bit of getting used to. As I said in my Sephora haul video, I don't wear lashes very often, therefore I am not used to them. And when I do wear them, I only ever wear the Model Rock ones, or there's another brand, BM lashes. They're very similar. They have a very thin band and they're really light. But these ones are so much easier to put on, literally. It's really nice and easy to get these super close to like right on top of my lashes and not like on my actual like skin. Okay, so I just popped those lashes on. I can sort of feel like I can see the ends just a little bit. I'm really not used to wearing lashes, so I'm not the best person to like actually judge on lashes, but in the way that I put them on, I found them so easy. Definitely the easiest pair of lashes that I've ever applied. Usually I have a lot of trouble with like them sticking down on the ends because I find that they're just not, the shape is not quite bent enough, whereas these were like stuck in that shape, so they were really easy to apply. I really like this summer peach look, So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this look. It was such an easy look to do, and I hope you guys can recreate this at home. If you ever have any questions about any of my videos, you can either comment on the video or you can send me a DM on my Instagram. I've got it in the description box below. Just zoom you guys out. So my Instagram is in the description box below. So if you guys want to send me a DM and ask me any questions, I'm pretty quick to respond to my DMs. So I'm happy to answer any questions that you guys might have. If you have any requests for videos, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video, or hopefully it's not too long. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you guys don't miss any of my videos. I post videos every Tuesday, and at the moment I'm posting Fridays as well, depending on my work schedule and when we go back to work. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week.